Hi, today I'll show you how to use Centera's DRPS power supply module with FCTH intelligent sensor to directly control an EC motor. This sensor features adjustable temperature and relative humidity ranges and controls a single output based on measured values. The output can be used to control an EC motor, AC fan speed controller, or a damper. I'll show you how to connect it plug-and-play using its default settings without any further adjustments. The sensor is supplied with 24 VDC, 04 unit is 24 VDC power supply module, Centera's DRPS in our case, but other devices can do as well. And here we have an EC motor which I'll connect to the sensor output to control directly. Connect the power supply module to the mains, line and neutral. You only need to supply the sensor with 24 VDC from the supply module to make it work. Modbus A and B signals don't need to be connected if you don't intend to connect the sensor to the Modbus network, but I'll connect these two wires just to show you how it's done. V plus is 24 VDC, V minus is ground. The blue wire is A signal, the green wire is B signal. The motor is now connected to the power supply module. We also need to connect the motor to the sensor output. The output default value is from 0 to 10 VDC. Connect to the mains and here we go. This is enough to have a working motor and sensor using default settings.